Hey guys, this is Vinci Text, and today I'll be teaching you how to make our Breggy breakfast, which is a family special. And the ingredients you're going to need are 2 eggs, a bit of chocolate, 2 pieces of bread, a cup with like a circular top, and a toaster. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is move everything aside except for cups. All this aside just right now. What you're going to do is you're going to put the bread on any flat surface, or I'll do this right now, and you're going to take the cup and you're going to poke it, like you just want to try to cut out the circular shape. It doesn't have to be perfect, like the ends could get cut off and it'd be fine. And yeah, it's pretty hard to it'll just come off like that. I'll try to do that for the other one. Comes right off. Next, you just want to put these pieces away, and you can just have like these 2 center parts. You can like put chocolate on. You can just break it and you can put it on the middle pieces of bread. You're gonna put this together, and you wanna just like put the ends together, or like put the edges, so it doesn't open up, and like this. Okay, once it's together, you just want to put it in the toaster for like 2-3 minutes, right here, the toaster, and we'll wait. Okay, so while we wait for this, we can go over to the pan and start cooking our eggs and our bread. Now let's go over there. Okay, so now we're at the pan, or the stove, we can just turn on the fire. Okay, there we go. And you can just put 1 piece of bread, or 2 pieces if your pan is big enough. You crack the egg and just put it right in the center like that, and then it'll cook inside the bread. And yeah, we just wait, and then we can turn it after like 2 minutes at high temperature. Okay, it's been like 2 minutes and I think it's ready to flip. The flipping is not necessary, but it tastes better when you flip it, so both sides are cooked. I'm really bad at flipping, but it's not about how it looks, it's about how it tastes. So oh, I messed up a bit, but yeah, we can just wait. Like this one only takes like 30 seconds to a minute, and we'll wait. I'll see you when it's done. Okay, so I think it's done. Let me move the egg real quick. Let's pick it up and put it on the plate and see how it looks on the other side. Oh, okay, we'll just do that. And you want to repeat this step twice, and we'll come back when I finish the other one. What's the text?
5 minutes later.
Okay, so we finished the eggs, and it looks delicious. It might, right here. Look at this. Oh, it's making me hungry. And we can't forget about the thing that we put in the toaster. So you take it out. Oh. Like that. And if you open it up a bit, look at all that chocolate. It looks so good. It's better than it looks, actually, but it's really good. Let me take a bite out of it right now. And this, just take a little bit. Cut a tiny bit right here. Like that. It has eggs and bread, so it's really good because it's just stuck there. Probably the best dish I've ever had. Thank you all for watching. You should try this at home, and it's delicious. What's the text?